Listen, we finally got the release of the 2024 Shelby F-150 Off-Road Edition. This is rapid red, black stripes. This truck is now 785 horsepower. I'm Brock Patterson, National Specialty Vehicle Manager here at Reddick Brown Ford, America's #1 Ford Performance and Specialty Vehicle Dealership, and we're America's #1 Shelby F-150 and F-250 truck dealer. So you're going to notice that same signature front end look from Shelby on this off-road edition truck. You're still going to have our upgraded dual intake ram air hood. You do have your hood vents here on top. Honeycomb insert and design. Now this is the beautiful rapid red color. It's a maroon, a dark port burgundy, beautiful color, one of our top sellers here. Black stripes that are going to start front bumper all the way to the back side of the rear tailgate. Now, where you're going to see some of the biggest changes and designs here on this front end, it's a beautiful new front grille and headlight housing area here. So different style. We love the new upgrade. You've got the Shelby Snake badge here on the front grille, and here on your front bumper, you've got your new integrated front bumper design, honeycomb insert along with your Shelby lettering. You're going to see just a slightly different style here in 2024 on that front end. You're not going to take away from the look. It is absolutely dynamic. So to give it that off-road rugged style, you've got a BDS suspension upgrade and your Fox shocks, your dual speed control shocks on here. They're dialed in for everyday driving. You can make the adjustments if you need to, depending on your driving style. Now, what you're also going to see, BF Goodrich, we've seen those along the way since the first iteration in 2016, all the way through 2024, BFG all-terrain KO2 tires. Now, wrapping these beautiful 22-inch high gloss black wheels and our new Shelby center cap, our new design and our new logo from Shelby. It's going to make it a little bit more modern and cool. Now on all four corners, you're going to see our painted to match parts. This is where Shelby dials it in over all the competition. So painted to match, rapid red, fender flares, all four corners, and they're going to give you this new fender badge, Shelby F-150 Off-Road Edition 2. Now, the core chassis is a 502A Lariat equipment package. You're going to see some this year that have the black appearance package, which is going to change out some of the slight designs that are going to be factory, and you're also going to see the chrome package as well. So they're going to paint those parts if needed. Now, they've got the side mirror spotlights like we've told you before. So this is the side mirror spotlight in action. They're power folding mirrors as well. So you're going to see your Shelby lettering here right along the rocker. So Shelby lettering, and you're going to see that 785 horsepower. Again, new tuning, awesome new transmissions. This performance is out of this world. Keyless entry pad makes this easy for you if you've got to get in and out in a hurry. Also, you've got your key fob integration where you can have that in your pocket on yourself, get right into the truck. Easy access with our power deployable running boards, makes it easy to get into, drops down pretty low with your rock guards and your LED lights. So think performance, think utility, think comfort, ease. This is the truck. And so we've got a 36-gallon fuel tank. You're gonna need it in this truck. You've got your 3D badging here, a little bit different style from Shelby with your 3D badging. Tonneau covers are going to be standard on the black appearance package. You're gonna see painted to match, rapid red, black stripes, tonneau cover, locks. You got your carpet line inside, so it makes it easy to use. Tailgate, lightweight, powered, folds down, so you've got your carpet lined, Velcroed in, full utility inside the box. Easy to close. Now the one thing I want to make sure everybody knows, make sure if it's unlocked, it's going to run vertical with the stripes. If it is locked, it's going to run horizontal, and then you're going to also want to lock it with your key. So on the rear of your tailgate, you're going to see your stripes, just like I said, all the way down to the back side of your tailgate. You've got your Shelby lettering here on the side of the box. You've got your Shelby license plate bracket. What we've got new for 2024, they've been able to use the rear bumper. So you're going to notice the exhaust tips sit a little higher because this is metal here on your rear bumper, so that exhaust tip is going to sit a little different. Now, the biggest change that we see in 2024 when it comes to exhaust in BORLA, they have tuned this a little bit differently. The sound is out of this world. You got to listen to this. Now, for utility, for those of you that want to use your truck and drive this thing daily, which many of you do, you're going to see you've got your trailer tow package and your hitch here. So you do have that option in the F-150 off-road edition. So trailer tow package and your hitch. So let's go inside the interior. Let's go in the cab and take a look. We've got a couple of new different restyling that we see in 2024. All right, so inside our cab, we've got a lot of room from Ford on our F-150 chassis. And as many of you know, we've got our new redesign on our front dash that we got back in 2021. A couple of new restyling difference. We now have heads-up display that's standard on this truck. I love our new heads-up display. You're gonna see the Ford emblem light up, and then you're gonna see your miles per hour, your temperature, and your time on the heads-up display. Now, leather-wrapped steering wheel and carbon fiber all throughout the front dash, so the styling of this is absolutely plush. You've got your B&O upgraded stereo system, so the sound quality is state-of-the-art. Front-facing camera, rear camera as well. You've got your temperature gauges here that is analog, and then you've also noticed something back for 2024. We've got our heated steering wheel as an option. Many of you that are in climates that need that option, it's back for 2024, so many of you are going to be pleased. Again, heated and cooled seats. So it's a 4x4 chassis, so you can select your drive modes as well, so you can make those changes right here by your knee. That'll shift into the different modes that you need to be in, and it will also auto-select what four-wheel drive, two-wheel option you're going to be in. So a lot of intuitiveness inside our truck. You've got utility, style, comfort. Our upgraded Shelby leather seats are also awesome. You've got the integrated red Shelby lettering, the honeycomb design that's kind of still integrated into the seat. They're perforated for the cooling, and your headrest also have perforations because there is a speaker inside the headrest. So rear seats are also covered. Overall, this is a beautiful chassis, twin panel moonroof, lots of options for 2024. This is the truck. Now, you're gonna notice, again, the exhaust is gonna sound a little richer, a little bit more throatier response. So they've got that from BORLA, and they've also got the new generation Whipple Supercharger that we're going to take a look under the hood. All right, so you've been wanting to take a look under the hood. This is Ford's 5-liter V8 Coyote engine. This is what we're going to start off with the donor chassis, 10-speed transmission. Now, we've got the latest generation Whipple Supercharger powder-coated Ford Racing Blue. What we're going to see, we've got oversized carbon fiber air intake tube, throttle body upgrade, fuel injector, spark plugs. Now, what's new this year is you're going to see a new transmission tune. So the truck is now tuned to 785 horsepower, a lot of low-end torque. It's going to accelerate quickly. The response is immediate. This is a new driving truck that we've got for 2024. You're going to see an improvement, exhaust sound, front end, engine performance. 2024 Shelby F-150 off-road, 785 horsepower. This is rapid red. What an absolutely gorgeous color, and available at Reddick Brown Ford. Call or text me 615-397-3331. You don't want to miss out. Listen, we're America's #1 Ford performance and specialty vehicle dealership. Every Friday on YouTube, we've got a new video that's going to drop. You're going to love some of this new 2024 inventory coming.